Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to do a makeup tutorial using this pink glitter smoky cat eye that I just created. I really loved how it came out. It came out super amazing with this pink color in it. Just a little fun. Sometimes you gotta be a flirt one day. I'm just kidding. Anyways, I just wanted to create this kind of look for you guys, and this piece of hair is like bothering me so much. I really hate this piece of hair, but I'm going to ignore it though. I was gonna cut it, but that's a bad idea. So, especially when I added the pink lipstick, I thought it was so nice. So it kind of looks similar to this young beautiful girl. She has a channel on YouTube, and her channel is called Gloss and Talk. I think she created something similar to this for Valentine's, perhaps more for like, she has like more pink tones in it. Mine is more like a violet, purple tones, I don't know. But she used the same palette as I did, so I just want you guys to check that out. She does makeup tutorials and so much more. She's very talented doing makeup. I watch her channel all the time, so you guys will see me there posting comments on her because I do watch her videos. They're so fun, entertaining. She has great ideas. She's so sweet. She's amazing. So please check her out. I'll link her channel down below, and her channel is called Gloss and Talk, because we will gloss and talk about this. Just kidding. So anyways, so I hope if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. And if you guys are new, my name is Thalia Reyes, and welcome to my channel. I get my hair cut every 3 months just to get rid of my split ends, but I feel like I want to cut it like this. I feel like this is cute. I like it. And long hair, I don't know guys, just let me know down below. See if I should cut my hair like this length, this short, or do I just keep it long, like 3 layers. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and let's get on to the video, shall we? First thing first, I am going to apply tape. So I do want to create this cat eye look, and the palette I'm going to be using is my Modern Resistance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I just recently, it was a gift actually, and I have not used it or anything, so I was like, why not test it out? So these are the shades right here, and the brush fell off. I should have known, but oh well, it happens. So it does come with a mirror, and it comes with these eyeshadow shades, and I thought they were really beautiful. I did test them out just to let you know, because they were like, why do they look used? So just letting you know, I did test it out. So I'm really excited to use this. This is my first time using this palette. So the first shade as my transition, I'm gonna go in with Tempera, which is this shade right here. And I'm actually going to take, you're gonna have to tap because there's a lot of fallout, but there's like, I'm sorry if my brushes are dirty, it's just that I used them, so very sorry. So I'm just gonna use this as my transition shade, and I'm just gonna go all over my lid, and just gonna apply it all over. The next shade I'm going to be using is Warm Taupe, which is this shade right here. And just make sure you tap. And same thing, I'm gonna go as my transition shade. Just wanted to go back and forth. The next shade I'm going to be taking is Love Letter. which is this shade right here. So this one's more like a hot pink shade, and I'm just gonna take a little bit because I really don't want that much going on, but also I want that smoky eye. So this one, just tap once because the color, it tends to go away. So I'm just gonna go in my outer corner and just gonna like go all the way down the bridge, kind of not too close to my inner corner, but like down the bridge to my lid. If you need to take more, you can, because sometimes when you tap it, the product seems to go away, and obviously you don't want that to go away. Shade I'm going to be going is Cypress Umber, I think that's how you pronounce it, which is this shade right here. And with the same brush that I went with Love Letter, I'm just gonna go in with the same brush. You're gonna tap, just tap once, because I feel like the it seems to like fall out. And this one I'm just gonna focus in my outer corner. I don't want it to go very all the way down, all the way to my inner corners, so I just want that cat eye effect, and just gonna keep going. Taking my fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go in with Warm Taupe, and I'm actually going to blend everything out just so it can be even out, no any like hard edges or stuff like that. So just keep blending that. And then I feel like I need to go back with Cyber Umber, and just gonna try to make that a little bit more. You're gonna go in with back with Love Letter, just to like, so it created more like a violet kind of look. That's what I'm noticing, but that's okay. I'm going to be taking my Maybelline concealer, and this one is the shade Light, and I'm actually going to apply it in my inner corner down half bridge. You don't want to go all the way down. Okay, so you can leave it like that, and I'm just gonna go take my brush, my e.l.f. brush concealer, and I'm actually going to blend everything. So actually I'm going to blend everything out. Where's my line lid? I think that's how you say it. So whew, I poked my eye. I'm trying not to cry. Okay, I'm crying. It's painful. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. If you guys notice, my left eye is pretty watery. My right eye, well, my eye, if you notice difference with my eye, one of them is watery because I accidentally poked my eye with this, I'm not trying to say stupid, but the stupid brush. I accidentally poked it, and that shit hurted so much. So I'm just gonna continue blending. Next, I'm going to be adding Lime Crime Diamond Crushes. I received this in my Ipsy bag, and my eye is killing me. And I used this one is the shade Light, which is more like a pink glitter. I'm not gonna lie, it's super pink. And I'm not gonna apply it like this. I'm gonna take a brush, because I feel like a brush helps more and define it very better. So I'm gonna apply it on the brush like this, and I'm actually going to, I have a mirror in front of me because you have to be very careful, and plus I already poked my eye, so I don't want to poke it more than once. So I'm just gonna apply it like this. If you need to take more, that is totally fine. Oh, look, a tear. That shit hurted. Okay, so just keep applying. I'm just gonna go back with Cyber Umber. It's like the brown shade. And I'm actually going to apply it in my outer corner just to blend everything out so there won't be any harsh lines. Like the edges. Just keep applying. Next, I'm going to be taking my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be taking warm taupe, and I'm actually going to blend everything out. Next, I'm going to be taking tempera, and actually I'm going to apply it in my brow bow just to give that highlight look. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to be taking my Rimmel London eyeliner, and this one is, it doesn't say, but I'm just going to apply it. I'm pretty sure it's black. Sometimes it says jet black or black is black, or I don't know. But I'm sure it's black. So I'm just going to apply it. Just to let you know, I'm not very good applying eyeliners. So this is the look. It's more like a violet eyeshadow, somewhat pink hitting in there, but I thought it was really cute because of the glitter and then the smoky cat eye. So I'm gonna, off camera, I'm gonna finish the other eye, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I just got done finishing my other eyeshadow and apply eyeliner. I did not apply lashes because I'm still practicing and I just need to get the hang of it. So for face, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Foundation, I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this one is the shade Creamy Vanilla 01. And I'm just gonna add 2 pumps on my hand, and I'm just gonna apply dots all over my face. My nose, chin, and forehead. I'm just going to blend everything with my beauty sponge. And you're just gonna keep blending. I haven't used this foundation in a hot minute, but I just forgot how full coverage it is. I love this foundation so much. It's like, it's the best. I'm almost out of it, but I'll buy another one. You're gonna blend down in your neck because you want it to match, just in case. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline concealer, and this one is the shade Fair, and just gonna apply it under my eyes. My nose, chin, right here, and then I'm gonna apply it on my forehead as well. And then I'm just going to blend everything out with my beauty sponge. Then on my chin, my other under eye, and my forehead as well. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline loose powder, and this one is the shade Fair, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes with it. I applied way too much, but that's okay. And I'm gonna apply it on my chin, my nose, just to set them. And then I'm gonna apply it on my forehead as well. And bronzer, I'm going to be using Butter Bronzer, and this one is light to medium. I'm gonna apply bronzer on my forehead as well. Just my jawline. Blush, I'm going to be using my Satin Touch blush, which is Satin Coral from Innocence. So next I'm going to be using my Maybelline Mascara holographic highlighter, and this one is 050 Primastic highlighter, which it looks like lighter. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. But I feel like it didn't match with it. But, oh well, I already applied it. Then I'm gonna apply it on my nose, down the bridge. Right here. Mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Mascara, and this one is Black is Black. And I was gonna use lashes, but not today. With my palette, I'm going to be taking Cyber's Umber, which is like a dark brown shade, and I'm actually going to apply it under my lashes, and same thing with the other eye. And then going back with my Maybelline mascara, I'm just gonna add mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm going to add tempera in my inner corner and both eyes, just to give that. To be taking my Maybelline Super Stay Matte ink, and this one is Pull It, which is more like a pink tone. And then I'm going to be taking my Innocence lip gloss, and this one is Nude Candy. I'm going to be using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I really like how the eyeshadow came out. It came out really smoky cat eye with pink glitter, and I thought it would be so fun to film this because honestly I loved it how it came out. It came out so pretty. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.